Hey guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. Today I would like to share very exciting news with you. I have been working on writing this book, Hand Knitting. This book is about our company, about myself, and mostly it's about hand knitting. The way of knitting that is the easiest way to create beautiful products. And this book will be published on September 1st, but is now ready to be pre-ordered. You can pre-order this book on BeCozi.net. There is a link underneath on this video. And if you pre-order it now, it will come with a personal message from me. I'm very excited to share this news with you, and I would like you to pre-order this book to explore this beautiful way of knitting and yourself, or to give this book to anybody you love, because I promise you, you will love it or they will love it. Hand knitting is a lot of fun. So go to BeCozi.net and pre-order our book.